Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be microwaving an egg. So we're going to do it for about 10 minutes. It's probably going to explode, but we'll see what happens. Oh man, it already exploded. Gotta stop this. Oh. Well, looks like it created some scrambled eggs in here. That was very quick, not even a full minute, and it's already exploded. Okay, now I'm gonna microwave a wet rock. I've heard they explode when they're heated. I've tried it next to a fire before, but I've never tried it in a microwave. So this should be pretty interesting. Sparking, I'm gonna stop this. Oh my gosh. Oh, the rock is very hot. I think it's like melting almost. Alright, I'm gonna try to pick this thing up. It's very hot. Oh, it's sizzling. Oh, it's evaporating the water. Oh, that's crazy. That thing is burning. That thing is really hot. It's boiling the water. Get it out of there, That was pretty cool. If you guys liked the video, make sure to subscribe and comment down below if you'd like to see anything else microwaved, and I'll see you next time.